Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
As the village settled into the evening glow, the bonds of family and friendship were evident in every corner. Haider, known for his sense of duty to his friends, faced a test of his loyalty. One day, Haider promised to help his friend Ali with an important school project. They arranged to meet after school to work on it together. They began the project with enthusiasm, but soon another friend invited Haider to join a game outside. Tempted by the fun, Haider decided to leave Ali and play, forgetting his promise. As the evening shadows grew longer, Haider saw Ali struggling with the project alone. A wave of guilt washed over him for abandoning his friend in a time of need. That evening, Haider and his grandfather walked to the mosque for the majlis. These gatherings, which honored the sacrifices of Imam Hussain and his companions at Karbala, always provided Haider with valuable lessons. Inside the mosque, the air was filled with a sense of solemnity as the speaker recounted the poignant events of Karbala. Haider, sitting beside his grandfather, listened closely, reflecting on the themes of loyalty and obedience.
Grandfather, the stories of Imam Hussain and his companions were incredibly moving, but something is on my mind.
What's troubling you, Haider?
Grandfather, I let Ali down today. I promised to help him with a project, but left him to play with others. What does it mean to be truly loyal and obedient?
Haider, let me share with you the story of Hazrat Abbas, the epitome of loyalty and obedience, who stood by his brother Imam Hussain till the very end. Hazrat Abbas, the brother of Imam Hussain, was renowned for his unwavering loyalty and obedience. From his youth, he was known for his courage and dedication. As the journey to Karbala unfolded, Abbas remained steadfast by Imam Hussein's side, ready to defend him against any threat. His loyalty never wavered, and his obedience to Imam Hussein's commands was absolute. On the eve of Ashura, Imam Hussain entrusted Abbas with a crucial mission to fetch water for the thirsty children and companions. Despite the peril, Abbas obeyed without hesitation, driven by his sense of duty. Hazrat Abbas fought valiantly to reach the river Euphrates. He filled the water skins, prioritizing the needs of the camp over his own thirst. This act of selflessness and obedience exemplified his unwavering commitment to his imam. As Abbas made his way back to the camp, he was ambushed by enemy forces. Even in his final moments, his thoughts were with Imam Hussain and the children awaiting water. His bravery and sacrifice are remembered to this day.
Grandfather, Hazrat Abbas's loyalty and obedience are truly inspiring. It shows how dedication and selflessness can define one's character.
Indeed, Haider. Hazrat Abbas teaches us that true loyalty and obedience are about prioritizing the greater good and remaining steadfast in our commitments, even in the face of great adversity. Let me tell you more about Abbas. He was a paragon of virtue, known for his strength and unwavering loyalty. Even when faced with insurmountable odds, Abbas never wavered in his duty to his imam and his people. His actions at Karbala are a timeless lesson in loyalty and obedience. Abbas's journey from being a loyal brother to becoming a symbol of obedience and sacrifice is a powerful example. His story teaches us that true loyalty involves unwavering support and selfless service, no matter the cost.
Inspired by his grandfather's story, Haider found a new understanding of loyalty and obedience. He knew that these virtues meant standing by his commitments and prioritizing the well-being of others. Haider approached Ali with a newfound sense of loyalty and dedication. He apologized for leaving him alone and offered to make up for it by helping with the project until it was finished. Ali, appreciating Haider's sincerity, welcomed his help, and together they completed the project. The timeless lessons of Karbala and the story of Hazrat Abbas not only taught Haider about loyalty and obedience, but also inspired him to be a better friend and individual.
Haider, always remember, loyalty and obedience are about more than just following orders. They are about standing by your principles, supporting those you care about, and prioritizing the greater good.
May we all learn from the sacrifices of Imam Hussain and his companions and strive to be better individuals. Remember the lessons of Karbala. Embrace loyalty, obedience, and selflessness. Thank you for watching.